Advocate Zandile Mafe for the defence told the court the report submitted by the experts from the Fort England Psychiatric Hospital is inadequate. Mafe described Mafe as a man that might have strong views that not everyone agreed with, but that he does not suffer from mental illness. Following Mafe's stay at the psychiatric facility earlier this year, his defence team had him evaluated by an independent psychiatrist. Handing down judgment on whether Mafe can follow court proceedings and give proper instructions for a defence, Judge Erasmus said, however, that the report by Mafe's team concurs with that of the team of experts appointed by the court.
The appropriate order should be an order in terms of Section 77(6)(a) of the Criminal Procedure Act. This court has the jurisdiction to hear the case, and I'm of the view that a finding that Mr. Mafe is not capable of understanding the proceedings so as to make a proper defense, and therefore my finding is in concurrence with the experts that, as is commonly known, it's a finding of not fit to stand trial. So that is my declaration that Mr. Mafe is unable to follow the court proceedings and to make a proper defense, therefore he is unfit to stand trial.
Throughout proceedings, Mafe listened attentively. When judgment was handed down, he vehemently shook his head. He also stood up and said he understood everything that took place in court and that he rejected it. Mafe indicated that he will apply for leave to appeal the court's finding.
Pending the appeal, and I know there's no appeal that's been noted now, but at least the court has been made aware that that is the intentions, or at least those were our instructions, if the ruling went the other way. That may also, again, it's not to, the Lordship doesn't have to deal with that matter, but that might also have implications as to what happens in the interregnum between such an appeal, if it's heard, and the actual trial, if we're lucky, or confinement, permanent confinement.
Erasmus ordered that Mafe be remanded at Pollsmoor Correctional Facility in the hospital wing until a suitable bed in a psychiatric facility can be found.
I haven't heard the judge indicating which facility it will be. You'll remember that he highlighted that Mafe had challenges with going to Falkenberg. And also he indicated that he thinks it would be better for him to be sent to a facility closer to his home, which is the Northwest. He'll be sent there at a psychiatric hospital for him to receive medical treatment as well as rehabilitation, which was what was recommended by the panel and his own daughter as well.
Following the findings of Erasmus, Mafe is no longer a criminally accused, but a state patient. Mafe said he will apply for leave to appeal early next year. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.